MPP they be me catch am say MPP na practice kura na te say NDC ya procura no the way I so more Ghana for no na te say NDC for di omuye ya.
Welcome to the political rounds with me, the voice right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Thank you, solution. NDC for my first batch baby ko school. Ma me phone afedi e behwe mo na mo be interviews say enye free ade na to say ye free keke mo na moto mo ma dross moto mo ma simi the first year simis no moto mo ma simis moto mo powder na menim say Akufo-Addo menim say ye ko school no ye nim say ye ko school no jo ma mo to top pad ne powder ene ye simis ne ye dross menim say jo ma mo to bi mai. I never knew. Almost say that be where they free papa Akufo-Addo de that die ye man e call mama ye prospectus ne to munko bisa Akufo man pani kofo senator na man for questions na ye mo prospectus a munko butu o mo enti na me ba behwe se first batch o mo be kwa under NDC ye beje o mo aso create na Akufo-Addo to bi mo na madam for na ne sa mo nkoto no mo na ton we no se beje o mo aso ye beje o mo hwan ne bio se ye be mo prospectus a ye ni na ye hwe Omano afedie se Akufo-Addo onko on the free SHS ne baaye enso nkura na ye mane se aduane nye de mo so mo mane ti fie kro mo di koko AyƐka o mo fa makanka ho mo bi na mo ka sansem no mo ne mo makwa koko ofie a mo fa makangum mo de si kire fra no mapepa no aboso mo na mo kro no ba Akufo-Addo baaye no muni na automatically bu ya adefo na muni na mpesa mo chese mo nya hiafo Akufo-Addo mo na treat mo man se mo nya hiafo o school ba na mo nya hiafo san na mo pesa mo kire Akufo-Addo enso mo amunim se mo man ba kwan no ba mo bi den sesawa e na ye nkwan na mo na adi ebi ni honti mo trying kakra to survive enso mo mai ko school mo ndisi vo twa mo ntro chenchirenche Akufo-Addo mo na ndisi fo no yanko fa ne koy na omo koma omo wie na se nyina asa se so mba beto omo de me se mo mane ko school this year na mo me hwe so mba mo KFC a eni na ye twen se na Ghana ne papa ne ye pe that's what you wanted ne be hwe se mo be prospectus a ye be hwe send this for no man omo be ko school no ene NDC for first batch of SHS for no ye be hwe se ye be mo prospectus a se mo se prospectus e Akufo-Addo de ma inti na nye free okay yati se na nye free a ye be hwe se mo be prospectus a say yes as for near that such 5 point something yes ejeje o mo no mo betua 20 million mo mani bi mo ntimi nko school mo sa be ma mo manketoa mo do mbe ma ware ansa ma discuss ahwe e de mo nko ma maka ko school ebe emire dru kakra ti de bia me ka NDC for na mo ka say MPP for be che ofie no ye che ofie na okuro mo for mo so di ebenie se MPP che ofie a Regency be ye che ofie no na mo di apenie pa na mo 30%. And people, these journalists still don't get it. Do they know why Akufo-Addo started the double track? Do they even know? Is common sense that hard for even journalists in this country? Usually, people were going to school on a fee basis. They paid fees. Most of Ghanaians, we are poor. So people were unable to pay the fees, thereby just preventing a lot of people to go to school. Wasn't that the case before Akufo-Addo came? So wabana wa ye ne free dia. Enye se na nkofo na muti fie no. Before se Akufo-Addo be president no. Ne bi ntwa yo. A lot of them, I can tell you, chunk of them are no metwa no. Omo kra na dodo na tifie. Na eskafo no omo na bon no. Ebi ko tua mo mbako school. And this is the truth. Before Akufo-Addo became president, woman no mo fie na nche se omo na bon no mo results na enye wo. Omo dodo no kra na anim ade. Na omo anti man ko 20. Omo sport no ena eskafo ne ma no ma bon ye ko tua mo omo fele ye. But oba ye no enam se na se ahiafo no mo magu fie no minim bi mo ko no ma wie JSS prior to before Akufo-Addo obeba no, but they still went and combined with them to go to school. Ente ye dey a nipa na doso ye ne no NDC for mo school baba for structure development na do any school any existing school o man kasa de no kura no asase mo ko yiji ngura mu ko man si ade papa bia ho amo obi anko school obi ampo the existing schools they never embarked on any infrastructure development. Enti Akufo-Addo say, how can this work? Anything up na po, especially. Me who say MPP for ne trauma NDC for ne kan kwase asem fa na ho a. Na MPP for ne buye me hino. Because enquire me before 2017, yo, my doubled the numbers. See, where are they going to sleep? Young boy, to say the AyEka for error. I go for error. I go free SJ Sukumasia. Where are they going to sleep? Enti, we would have to embark on infrastructure development in all the senior high schools in Ghana, including what your government be building. And this is where Dapo came in. And they started. Into almost starting, no, they occupied students. Monsha omo mutimi kwa buche ye. Sabo ibi o tete toka. Mefini din. Monsha programs o mutimi kukone ade. Nanipa waba na ba odi TV waba enhance TVET, technical vocational education, or the aka free SHS. You can question education where you know. But hey, na Ghana hano because of journalists. Journalists ma Ghana no edwuma no kra yetene. Nipa osabe spearhead STEM schools, science, technology, engineering, mathematics. Who say sa nipa no feel that education obi say ono ade o de beba education sector auto abama na o de beba ne say obeba ba be abolish double track mo ye moa e before ne Ghana for de me hu bi da obi aba or the STEM education aba we system schools or the TVET technical education abeka free SHS ho mo si obi ka kire mo say obeba be abolish double track mo wato abama sa nipa no na de ono ne yes an hye ye we no won de wagimi on the when you be fit or no, can I read in Ghanaians never cease to amaze me. We are amazing. In fact, we are unbelievable people. STEM education, STEM school, so STEM academy, the way East Legon say, you and can afford the anacrady. A starting free primary, Korea says free. Cassia be more than Moko, hey. Bibia wo hobi Israel go ma mo teten kra ho yam ko he wo de ni bi mo me hwa Ashanti region mo ko Western North awaso de ni Eastern region abomosu go and check all those things out na mo hwe de sister bi ne ba na ko Eastern region de ni bi I think last year sister na ne agi ama sa de ba na ko STEM school no and adia wo bi de here ya mama na tu Akufo-Addo government ne say o say obeba boy abolish double tracker Akufo-Addo asisi infrastructure was secondary schools in na dodo na wasisi aka ho a wodi akopai mo nkora na aka less than 30% no obi ehye wo bosse sa 30% no obema omu na abolish ntinu ano no ohene ba thank you very much enti mo okay eti eno no na mo standard no se na nya better and dey worse nothing is happening until the day you people know some people in the power some man omo break 8 no mo ye mo kuro ni ye mamo no the better mo de mo ma be kwa kosesa agimagi send this from first batch na be ko school we live to see think how be introduce wa dia wo ya no be aka che say dey be nkura uniform na nyefe te me ba me mama che uniform we na ka bibini akodila na koto ba ama no na nipa na wo ma ne ba ko school free or this time education na ba ne be inclined with science technology mathematics and I make a chair mo when him say under Akufo-Addo na o ya visual student your universities be a omoji two ma na timiko engineering do you people know that visual student you do engineering maths 101 there you go people didn't know about for him the technological advancement through education health and whatever Akufo-Addo did for this country they have no idea. People even don't know. And the Akufo-Addo makabre physicians and surgeons were going to school free the last 3 years. Go and ask all of them. And the regions in the Akufo-Addo or the STEM schools in regions, this man, I don't know why people hate him. And this is for na find do mutwa montro no. Amrofo ne ba Ghana na Akufo-Addo hospitals no mo de moko. Omo be dia fo ne gunkra mo se na Akufo-Addo nya hwe. Hospitals omo de Czech Republic papa ne koy na Akufo-Addo ne siye. Pone Akufo-Addo 2020 or 2022. Ohene na wo no odidi Akufo-Addo mpo atem. Tinano a NDC for no omo sa akọ ho biem no. Na me bisa se ntisa ohene no we. Kofie Wager Hospital, specialist hospital kesie bia. Apart from Wager Hospital na osi na kala. Was I yama children nkora.